Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color border to shape in Microsoft Publisher. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add color border to shape. Now going to the insert menu option. Now for click. Then click for a shape option. Now I choose from a rectangle shape. Now draw a shape. This shape, add color border. Now going to the shape outline option. Now choose color. Then again shape outline option. Then click for a widget option. Then click for 6 feet. And change color from the shape fill option. Then choose color. That is. Then again other color format border to shape. Now click for a shape outline. Then choose color. That is. Then you show add color border to shape in Publisher document is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for all.